Hey all, Pratik here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you DIY how to place a tempered glass on any phone. I've just taken a OnePlus 7, so I've just bought OnePlus 7 tempered glass. Company's name is Open Tech. I just checked on OnePlus store site. They didn't have the tempered glass, so I bought it and pretty reasonable rate. A lot of good reviews online. Uh, just cost MRP is 999, but it's a discount, so I just got it for 80 rupees. So pretty good. Let's go ahead. Hope you guys enjoy, and it's very simple. And let's do a quick installation of a tempered glass smartphone.